No matter what industry you work in, whether you're an assessor, a trainer, or a manager, you need to know someone's ability against predefined criteria at the beginning and at the end of a program to determine whether learning has taken place. So in the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, the purpose of assessment is to measure whether a learner has met a required level of competence, such as meeting the required skills, knowledge, attitudes. So assessment will take place at different stages, so depending on the program, and to check whether a learner meets a set of standards, which is meeting requirements of a qualification, or to meet the requirements of a job description. So simply put, assessment is the process of finding out if learning has taken place, and is a process of making a decision against competence against set criteria. In the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, you'll learn about 5 key functions of assessment, and these are initial assessment, diagnostic assessment, holistic assessment, formative assessment, and summative assessment. So before you complete a program such as Level 3 Awarded Education and Training or the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, you should complete an initial assessment to identify any particular learner needs, learning requirements, and any to determine potential problems or issues that the learner may face. So when our learners choose to complete the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, they will be asked to complete an English and Maths assessment to determine whether they have the ability to meet the qualification requirements, and also complete a VARC assessment to ensure that we can identify the preferred learning style. The main purpose is to determine how much support and guidance they will need to complete the qualification. We use a diagnostic assessment in conjunction with the initial assessment for the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, and this is to diagnose any gaps in learning and to ensure they are on the right course. And we ensure our learners complete a course consultation to ensure they have the recommended prerequisites and motivations which allow us to determine whether the course is for them without them wasting time and money on a course which is not suitable. The initial and diagnostic assessment is part of our sign-up and enrolment process. The purpose of holistic assessments is to speed up the process of the Level 3 Certificate and Assessing Vocational Achievement to ensure learners save time and don't have to duplicate any assessment parts, and for us to help with us. So we discuss with each learner their current work experience, including what they are currently doing in the classroom and workplace, to see where we can look to combine parts of the assessment to make it simpler. Learners that complete several courses with us, such as the Level 3 Awarded Education and Training and the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, are encouraged to combine their assessments to cover more assessment outcomes in one go. So this is why it's crucial that whichever training provider that you sign up with, you're able to offer a personalized study guide so that you can complete your assessments holistically. Formative assessments are assessments that take place throughout a program. So formative assessments are designed to monitor progress. Generally speaking, you don't complete a training course without any form of formative assessment, as your trainer or assessor needs to ensure that you're ready for the final assessment, and there is no way of knowing this without any formative assessment. A formative assessment can simply be asking a question to find out whether learners learned a particular aspect. Formative assessments can be in any format: a word search, a crossword, a quiz, and absolutely anything, as the sole purpose is to find out if learning is actually happening. Summative assessments, on the other hand, are typically the final assessment. The purpose of the summative assessment is to determine whether a learner is at a level to get a certificate or to meet the job specification. Normally, summative assessments must follow the awarding body's requirements.